Alright then, I got a surprise for you all. We're at Out Motoring. And here it is. First time being here, I've bought so many car parts from them though over the years. Probably thousands of dollars worth that I don't want to remember. But lots and lots of car parts, but this is just really cool. So this is their showroom area. They got a nice little R52 convertible here. There's Ethan waiting over there. Parts over here, tail lights, trim pieces. This looks like for the F-Car facelift. Cool, it's a carbon fiber cover. So that's neat. Lots of different things here, trim bits, door handle covers, mirror cap covers. This is giving me ideas. Shirts, more stuff. This looks familiar. So if you have a first gen Mini, these are, I think they're from Ireland Engineering, but I'm not sure, but these are fixed camber plates for the first gens. And it fixes the camber at about a negative 1.5 degrees, but I had these on my first gen Mini and I really liked them. So there's that. More trim pieces, carbon fiber mirror caps, wood dash. That's something that some people really like and it's very hard to find, so there's that. Lots more carbon fiber, Union Jack stuff, more taillights, hats, more parts here. So if you need parts for your first gen and second gen, they got them. And wheels too. These are some nice wheels. And the little push-pull cars. Aux cables by the looks of it. Little accessories here and there. But the rest of it, there's more to come. So here is more stuff for your car cleaning products, badges, phone mounts, bushings. They got everything back here. They got lots of stuff here. And more stuff over here. Oh, these are cool. So these are for the lock buttons on the doors. So that's neat. And these are, looks like they're badge covers for the grill, for the emblems. So you can change it from chrome to black. That's pretty cool. And looks like easy to install as well. Oops, just hit my head. Keychains, wow, lots of cool stuff. And I'm not even halfway through the storage room yet, and there's lots of cool stuff. So, grill badge holders. I've not been able to find a good grill badge holder for the F cars yet. Might need to get that one maybe. Some grill badges, these are cool. Oh, these are neat. These are for steering wheels. And more shirts over here. Some bags. These look like GP2 style wings. What else do they got? Lots of stickers. The company's owner.
Hey, welcome. I'm glad you're here. So check it out. I just got these in today. These are carbon fiber shift paddle extensions for the Gen 3. And then I've also got carbon fiber shift paddle extensions for the Gen 1 and 2. So for automatic owners, you put these on the shift paddles that are on the side of the steering wheel.
Nice.
And, up and down. So I'll be adding these to the website. I just was bringing them back to the photo studio, and then some other cool stuff. So every day or every couple days, I usually try to get new things. And so this is a new carbon fiber steering wheel. Well, I gotta open it up. Let's check it out. So this goes over the airbag in the center.
Oh, cool.
So this is real carbon fiber.
Oh, wow.
So these are going to be on the site in a few days. I've got them for the Gen 2 and the Gen 3. So it's a stick-on part, but you can see it's real carbon fiber, super nice.
That looks pretty cool.
Yeah, so these will be on there soon, and these two are going to be real carbon fiber. And then, again, every few days, a couple weeks, I try to add a half dozen new things to the website and then send them out on our newsletter. Also post them on Instagram. So if you see stuff, if you want to see something that we don't have, that you found in other places, we just may not have found it yet, so let us know and we'll try to find it. But yeah,
Awesome.
welcome welcome to the warehouse. Feel free to keep looking around if you want and ask me any questions. I'll be around.
Awesome. Thank you so much. This is so cool. We got license plate frames here, though. More graphics and parts. So it's like a treasure trove of stuff back here. So if you have a first gen, second gen, he probably has the parts for you. This looks like for the supercharger. Yep. That's a first gen used part. He also has some Aston Martin stuff in here, which is kind of cool. A little bit of everything mixed in here. So you gotta watch your step. These look like covers. And they are covers. What are they for? Looks like wing covers for a certain car. Oh! These look like, yep, they are bumper protectors. That's cool. And then some speed parts over here. If you'll need to modify. Pulley removal tool, definitely something you need if you're going to do the supercharger pulleys on your first gens. Alta, 17% version 2. This is a good one. Forge parts in here. And these are nice too, so if you want to change the decorative details on your front bumper, this is the easiest way to do it because you don't have to rip the whole front bumper off to change it. You just use these covers. But he also has the regular trim rings in here, the OEM ones, and the covers, so they're all mixed in. Boot handle covers, so if you want to change that out as well, even carbon fiber, so that's pretty nice. And there's facelift and pre-facelift, so we got the pre-facelift ones here, and then we got the facelift ones with the new badging on it. So we got those. Gas cap covers galore, so pretty much anything you could think of is in here. Some more stickers. What are these? These are kind of cool. They're for something. These look like, I don't know what those are. Some more trim pieces for the scuttles. These look like Countryman F60. Yep, F60 scuttle plates. That's pretty cool. And then if you want to change your mirror caps, he has mirror caps in here. And what's cool is, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you still want to change the look, you can get the 3M versions that stick on around the stock mirrors so you don't have to pop yours off. So that's pretty cool. You come around to this side, you got the antenna cap covers, and even ones for the shark fin antennas. But he also has dash trim in here too, so this is pretty sharp. Look at that. And it's 3M tape, so you can change the look of your car for not a lot of money. That's pretty cool. And what are these? What is that? Console covers. Console covers. That's a new one. I'll have to ask him about that. I've never seen that before. So stuff for the console. That's pretty cool. Obviously, I haven't been looking at the website very much if I didn't notice those things before. And we got some more stuff over here. These look like exactly what I think they are. These are the things that go onto the back of the speedometer, the tack, on the first and second gen, so you can change the color of it. That's pretty cool. So those are Gen 2s, and then you got the Gen 1s up here. And then of course he has steering wheels sitting over here, so if you need a new steering wheel. Mirror covers. Lots more stuff over here. Performance parts, so maintenance parts really. Spark plugs. thermostat, no, expansion tank pressure caps. And all the shipping is done right through the store as well, so everything comes out from here. Mini Finny. I think those are the cup holders I had in my old car. Yep, had that in my first gen. And he also does the Mini Do More stuff, so he has the trailer hitches here as well. So if you want to put your bike rack on the back of your Mini, he has the stuff you need to do it. And lots of forge hoses in here, performance parts. I'm going to run out of money very quickly if I stay in here any longer. In fact, he probably has a spreadsheet that shows how much money I've spent. Wow, this is awesome, though. So he also does the shirt printing back here. And photo studio right here, so all the stuff you see on the website is photographed right there. Well, I'm going to pick out something I'm going to put on my car, maybe something cosmetic, just because trying to do anything mechanical in a parking lot's a little difficult. But we shall see what I can come up with. Alright then, so as I said, I was going to walk out of here with something, and I am. So tune in for the next video where I will be installing these. Conveniently though, we'll be right out front. And Aaron, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.